Hi everyone, this is Mr. Today I will show you one tool which will allow you to search for ChatGPT on any website. So you can search for in a floating bar. It has a lifetime license cost of around $20. So you can search, you can use it with that API key that has been provided. You have to use your own API key. So there is no monthly fee. So you get the API key, start searching it. So you can search for it in any website. So this floating bar will get any website that will be connected to that ChatGPT API. So you can get that information anywhere in any website. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.